Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be looking at a few tools that are really going to help you out if you're uploading a lot of content to Instagram. The first tool on the list is my Instagram export presets for Adobe. Now, not only are these free for download, but they're incredibly easy to use. There's a link down in the video description if you want to go pick them up, and as always, donations are appreciated. Now you'll get 4 different presets in this pack, including landscape, portrait, square, and vertical. To install, launch the export settings window in Adobe Premiere Pro, set the format to H.264, and then click on the import presets button. And once you install them, you can find them in this presets drop-down menu as long as the format is set to H.264. Now the only downside of using the export presets is that you really can't preview your content until you're already in the export settings menu. This really isn't very useful, especially when you're working with vertical video, as you'll often need to reposition and resize elements. So for this reason, I've included some guides and overlay files. These are semi-transparent elements that you can use to align your content within your sequences. Simply import these into your project and drag them on top of your layers. If they don't fit in your particular sequence, just right-click and select Scale to Frame Size. Just be sure to remember to turn them off prior to exporting your content. Once you've rendered out your content, you can transfer everything over to your phone via applications like AirDrop, Google Drive, or Dropbox. You can also find these export presets within Adobe Media Encoder, which means you can use these in conjunction with After Effects as well. To use them in Adobe AE, simply go to the Composition menu and select Add to Adobe Media Encoder. Now while the Instagram Export Presets freebie comes with overlays and guides, they can be a bit annoying and cumbersome to use. That's why I decided to create Instagram sequences. Now this is an Adobe Premiere Pro project file that comes with template sequences. If you're creating a lot of content for Instagram, this is a really helpful tool. The project file comes with 12 pre-made sequences, including options for landscape, square, vertical, and portrait aspect ratios. And each of these aspect ratios are available in 24, 25, or 30 frames per second. Go check it out. Now, if you're only occasionally exporting to Instagram, then you might want to check out my other product, which is called Instagram Guides. These are similar to the free overlays and guide files that come with the export presets pack, only better. These are actual guides that can import, and you can view them in your project panel. If you decide to pick this pack up, go to the program panel inside of Adobe Premiere Pro, and then select View, Guide Templates, Manage Guides, and then use the import button to bring them in. To view them, go back to View, Guide Templates, and then simply select the guide that you want to pull up. Using this in conjunction with the export presets pack is going to make for a really fast workflow.
Hey Boone, how's it going?
What's going on, Kelsey? How's it going?
Weather's good, can't complain. Summertime.
So I'm putting together this list of Instagram tools. So I just wanted to reach out and see if you had anything that maybe I should add to this list.
Yeah, so there is a whole wealth of resources for Instagram specific templates on Mixkit, and you can find templates for all sorts of different Instagram stories for Premiere Pro. Some of them are Premiere Pro project files, but most of them are Mogurt files, which you install in the Essential Graphics panel. Many different styles to choose from, ones with lots of typography, animations where you can put a video in the background, and then it's really nice because you can just have that as a starting point. You don't have to spend a lot of time thinking about the design, the aesthetic. You can choose a few, customize it to your brand, and then just save it so you can always use it in the future if you want to promote something, whether you're a YouTuber or if you're a business. I also have a couple tutorials where I actually show you how to use a few other paid for Instagram templates. So there's a little bit more flexibility. There's a lot more templates to choose from.
Didn't you create some of your own tools?
Yeah, I think so. I've done a lot of videos, so sometimes I forget what I've done. I can send you the links to those videos that I've created. I've done some where I show you like the export settings for Instagram, so you can better optimize your video content. And I think I have a couple Instagram story templates on my store, so I make a few templates of my own. So you guys can check those out if they're useful for you, but mainly I just want to share these tools because they just help speed up the process for me. Because you know, when you're making lots of content, time is everything. Yeah. You don't necessarily need to use a template, but as long as you stay consistent with your style and your brand, even if you just do like record yourself saying, hey, like it's time for this new video to come out, and then you just have the same text on screen, or if you're using a template, just have that same animation come up.
Right. All right, well, thank you very much. That's great. I'll put those links down in the video description. Okay, so there you have it. There's a couple of tools that are going to really speed up your workflow inside of Adobe Premiere Pro if you're exporting video that's going to end up on Instagram. I'll leave all the links down in the video description. Be sure to go and check out that video about Mixkit over on PremiereGal's channel, and I will also include all the other links to all of her additional Instagram related tutorials. You can also head over to her website to see those Instagram templates that she's created, and all the links to my tools will be down in the video description as well. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell.